Okay, so in this video, I'm going to show you how to set up a retargeting campaign, a retargeting display ad campaign, just from your website visitors. And it's also going to be a campaign where you've created your own images. And I'll get into that, show you a little more in detail. So here's campaigns. And then we're going to click plus, and we want new campaign. And then we're going to go ahead and create a campaign without a goals guidance. There's other ways, like if sales leads, what have you. This is actually for leads, retargeting, but just this gives me more options. You can do some other research on the campaign types there, but I just like to use this one for now. So I'm going to hit continue, and then you'll see, then I'll select display, and then I want my correct conversions. So I'm going to remove these different conversions that I don't want. I only really want this one action here, which is signups on our website. So I remove those others. So there's our goals. And I hit continue. And then business website, you can put that in if you like. I don't need to do that. So hit continue. And then the campaign name, and then just my naming convention. This is a display campaign. And then retargeting website visitors. And that's enough for now. Sometimes I add other things to it, but that's good for now. Then I'll hit continue. And then my location, I want to first click on location option. I only want people to be present or currently in that area, not interested in that area, because that kind of keeps you away from some spam, which is nice. There's other points to use this maybe, but this is a local campaign that we're doing right in Indianapolis, so that's why I've selected that. And then I want to go to advanced search, and then I'll just type in Indianapolis, and I'm looking for the Indianapolis DMA. So I hit that, and there we go. Hit save. Languages, that looks good for English. Ad rotation, ad schedule's fine. Devices, start and end date. This is something I edit sometimes just to get, if in case I'm working on it, I can get approved before it starts or something. I'm going to go ahead. This happens to be Thanksgiving week, so I'm just going to have it start on Friday, maybe. And then more settings. We're looking good. Anything else? So let's hit next. And then we want to do conversions. So we have this campaign, or excuse me, this account has some good conversion data. So we want to automatically maximize conversions. We can manually set bids if we wanted some other things, but just simplest way is this right there. And then our average daily budget, I'm going to do a real small budget of say $15 a day just to see how it starts out. And then optimize targeting. So we want to add some targeting here. So suggest who sees your ads. That's the audience segments. That's what we're looking for. So we're going to go in here into browse, and we'll see this one here. It says how they interacted with your business. Website visitors. We want all users of our website. So I'll select that, and then that's all I need to do. That's done in GA4. So you just need to import your GA4 data if you don't have that in currently. But that's how you would do that. Set up the website visitors. And then there's other targeting we could do, demographics, placement, etc., even keywords if we wanted. But for now, we just want to totally target our website visitors. And then we'll hit next. And here, if you don't have the images, this is just where you'd fill out your headlines, final URL, etc. So here's the final URL. I can put that there, and then you would just go through them and fill out this information, right? But I'm going to do it where I'm just going to put in images. So I'll hit change here, and I put upload display as, and then yeah, I'll go ahead and leave. And then my URL is going to go right here. All right, and then there's some options if you want to add any of these, feel free. And then next is I can choose my files to upload or just drag. So I'm going to drag them from my other screen here. And then you can see they all went in here. There's two of them. Dimensions are not allowed. So that's a bad one. Dimensions are not allowed. So I just won't worry about those. I'll X out of that. And I've got those three that I'm going to use. I'm going to hit next. And we're waiting for it to be all set. Looks like it's all set. So I'm going to hit publish campaign. And now my Ads are under review. So there you go. That's how you do a display campaign with maximized conversions, targeting your website visitors.